BT YouView boxes can get stuck on loading screens or caught in endless boot loops. This frustrating issue affects various YouView models and has become more common in 2025, especially after software updates or during high network traffic periods. There are four primary causes of YouView loading issues: software corruption from incomplete firmware updates, hardware problems like hard drive failures or overheating, poor network connectivity affecting cloud-based services, and memory issues due to insufficient RAM or storage space. The first solution to try is a soft reset. Unplug your YouView box for 30 seconds, then hold the power button while reconnecting the power cable. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for a complete reboot. This simple procedure resolves minor software glitches about 60% of the time. For more severe issues, a factory reset through maintenance mode offers an 80% success rate for software-related problems. Access maintenance mode using specific button combinations during startup. Then navigate to the factory reset option. Network stability is crucial for YouView functionality. Ensure you have at least 10 megabits per second broadband speed. Use a wired Ethernet connection when possible, and configure your router's quality of service settings to prioritize streaming traffic. Router quality of service settings help prioritize YouView traffic, ensuring smooth streaming even during peak usage times. These network optimizations address nearly half of all YouView loading issues. These troubleshooting methods provide high success rates for resolving YouView loading issues. Start with the soft reset for quick fixes. Progress to factory reset for persistent problems, and ensure your network meets the minimum requirements for optimal performance. For persistent boot loops that resist standard troubleshooting, firmware recovery mode provides a powerful solution. This advanced technique allows you to manually install the latest firmware directly from BT's support portal. Regular hard drive maintenance is crucial for preventing loading issues. Use built-in diagnostic tools to check your drive's health, clear cache and temporary files, and defragment when necessary to optimize performance. Modern YouView boxes increasingly rely on cloud integration and support 4K HDR content, making network stability absolutely paramount. A stable, high-speed connection is essential for optimal performance. Prevention is always better than cure. Implement these regular maintenance practices: monthly reboots to prevent memory leaks, enable automatic software updates, ensure proper ventilation, and monitor your network connection regularly. Watch for these early warning signs that indicate potential problems: slower menu navigation, occasional app crashes, extended loading times for catch-up services, and audio-video sync issues. Catching these early can prevent major failures. By following a systematic troubleshooting approach and maintaining your device properly, you can minimize the likelihood of encountering these frustrating issues and ensure a consistently smooth viewing experience.